Sellercloud's catalog management page gives you quick access to your products. You can customize your product searches and make it easier to find whatever you want. To access your product catalog, select Catalog and click on Manage Catalog. On the Manage Catalog page, you will see all default filters. These filters cannot be removed or changed. To use this feature, simply click on a filter and begin typing. A drop-down search will appear. To narrow your search, you can take advantage of our wide range of custom filters. To create a new custom filter, you need to go into the Manage Catalog page and click on Add Filter. Choose a filter from the drop-down menu. Click on the new filter, fill in the necessary data and click Search. To save these search criteria for future use, you can use the Save View feature. Simply name this view, and then click Save. To delete a custom filter, click the trash icon next to the filter. Another way to optimize your search is to customize your columns. On top, you can find the Level 1 columns. There are also Level 2 columns, which you can view by clicking the small blue arrow next to the product. Here you can find more information without having to open the product details. Customizing your columns allows you to choose what information you want to have easily accessible when searching. To customize a column, click the vertical ellipses and choose Customize Columns. In the pop-up window, click Add Column and select the columns you want to add from the drop-down menu. Reorganize the order of columns by clicking and dragging respective columns. To boost your search efficiency even more, you can also customize how information is sorted using the drop-down menu on the right. Add new products, clone products, create shadows, and perform actions in bulk using the Actions menu. Use the search to find the desired function, or scroll through the list. The action icon also allows you to perform actions in bulk. Simply select multiple products at once and then click the action icon.